Fur and the Fan friends, and welcome to this episode of our trailer build. Hey, some good news. Santa Claus didn't come through, but my sweetheart wife did. So we have a new microphone, new sound system, so hopefully you'll be able to have a better audio experience with the Fur and the Fan videos. Thank you to my wife. All right, so let's get on with today's project. If you'll remember, the last video we did was on our floor and how beautiful it turned out. I'm very excited about it, and I was very excited and thankful for all of the views. People must really like that beautiful redwood floor. Last week at the end of the videos, I talked about the next phase of our trailer build, which is going to be our new walls. And I figured, oh shoot, that won't take long. That'll be really easy. And it was real easy. It only took about 20 minutes to set up. And the walls are all done, so we can chalk that off and move in. You want to see the wall? You want to see our new wall that I talked about last week? Well, let's just unveil it, okay? All right. So remember last week I talked about a gluelam system? We're not going to do that. It's too hard. We're going to do something real simple. Here's what we're going to do. Ready? Here is our brand new wall. I know the excitement's killing me too. Voila! That's our new wall. Yeah. Thanks for joining us at Fur and the Fan. All joking aside, we are going to be doing our glue laminated system. However, it's not going to be as easy as I thought. I mean, who would have thunk that, huh? Here at Fur and the Fan, we do things difficult, but we do them right. After sitting down and actually writing out all the next steps that we need to do in order to build our new walls, we discovered that actually, in order to do everything, it's going to take probably, well, we could do one 3-hour video, or we could break it up into little segments. That way we can kind of keep them at, I don't know, 10, 15 minutes, something like that. You know, we want to keep them short so you all enjoy coming back and watching our progress. So the videos coming up are going to be the outline, the glue lamination part of the frame, the beams and columns, and the plywood substructure. That's a big order, but here at Fur and the Fan, we can take it on. We're going to do it. And I hope you'll come along with us. So let's get started with the layout. Some of the video that you will be viewing was taken several months ago when I first removed the aluminum panels off the side of our wall. However, the sound quality wasn't great, so I'm going to be dubbing over it and explaining what we're doing. To trace out the outline of our aluminum panel, we needed a surface big enough. So what we did here is we put a 4x8, a 2x8, and a 1x6 piece of 3/4 inch plywood together and laid it flat on the floor. The next step in our layout process was to take the street side aluminum panel and lay it flat up on top of our white layout board. In order to keep our aluminum panel flat and not bend it, we used our sliding glass door frame, as you can see in the picture. This is the same frame that we used to lift our aluminum roof up and off of the trailer in a previous video. I secured the aluminum street side panel to the boards with 2 little screws just in order to hold it in place so that it wouldn't move as we outline our holes. Having just outlined the wheel well, we'll move on to the battery box. From here we'll trace out the windows, the other openings, then we'll do a big trace around the entire edge until we've traced the shape of our teardrop trailer onto the white panel. So our new frame has to fit within these boundaries. Having traced the street side of the trailer onto our whiteboard, We now laid our curbside aluminum panel over that. What we want to do here is we want to check to make sure that the outline of this panel actually matches the outline of the opposite side. And it came out perfectly. The same openings for the doors is the same as the opening of the window and the openings on the other side. Now that we've traced the outline of our outer shell onto our whiteboard, it's time to put them away. Keep them up in storage until we need them again in the future. So we've drawn the outline of our trailer onto our whiteboard. We have located the windows. On the other side, this would be the door. We've located battery door. Everything is on here, except we went ahead and added where our floor is going to be. That way we know exactly where it butts up to our brand new redwood floor. And that is where our beams and our columns are going to be. We've also added on where the center line of our panels would be here and up on the top. That way everything will fit just beautifully. I think we're ready to go ahead and start our next phase. It could either be the gluelam, or it could be our plywood area, or it could be our center beams and columns. All depends upon my work schedule. Hopefully we'll get some more done this next week. Hey, thanks for joining us here at Fern and the Fan. We hope it's been an enjoyable video for you. A little shorter than normal, I know. So if you like, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and subscribe, and we'll catch you on our next episode.